I'm freaking out because there's a squirrel in our house, and if he bites us, we're gonna get rabies. So I'm terrified, and I'm on the counter right now. But Daddy's gonna get him and kill him.
All right, you watch for him to come out.
Let's see if he comes out. He didn't come out this side. Do we need to get our house checked for rabies? There!
Uh-oh.
Ah! Did you get him?
Not yet.
There. Do you see him? Where is he? Dirty Hudson, don't worry, he can't get us up here. Unless he grabs those knobs, which probably won't happen. As long as we're safe.
See him?
No. Boop. We're going.
I feel like I'm on. Where's he at?
Right there! He's under the table. See him? See? Dad! Dad! Right there! Right there! He just went under! He just went under the table! Ah! Ah! This is creepy.
Where's he at now?
He's over there! Did you get him?
No.
I'm freaking now! I hate squirrels. They're officially my least favorite animals. I hate squirrels. Hey, he's after the house. Ah! And possums. And anything that lives in the wild.
All right, this is right here.
Now where is he? Down. I'm not. I'm trying to get a better view. Hudson, let's get on top of the refrigerator.
Oh, here he comes.
Where'd he go?
Oh, no. Need a break.
You can't. It's a squirrel who probably has rabies. Dad, can't get that squirrel. We're in trouble. I'm not going to sleep until you.
Why?
Daddy, he's over here.
Where?
He went in our cabinet.
What cabinet?
That one. He's in there in the corner.
Oh my goodness.
That was hilarious. Not the peanuts.
Did you video that?
I have an idea. It was flopping around like get the peanuts and set them and get a trap and set the peanuts there and then squish him when he comes to get them. Yeah, that's good. He knocked over the peanut jar, so he can't get the peanuts now. There! He went under your table. No, he went under the chair.
All right, watch for him come out.
Okay, watch this chair. Right there. Did you see him? Daddy, he's on this side. There's him right there.
Where's he at?
He went under there again. He was in the front. I hate squirrels.
Is he hiding inside the chair now?
I don't. He went under it. But he could be inside.
He is.
There he is.
All right, let him go now. Where's he at?
Right there in the in the corner. He's in the cabinet. The cabinet corner. He's in the cabinet. See? Right there. Oh.
Tell me when he's coming out.
He's out.
Golly.
He's fast. Daddy, can you call animal control? Please.
No, babe, I am animal control. We're going to get him. Just hold your horse. Where's he at?
I don't know. He's right here by the plant. Well, he went under it now, but he went under the plant. He's under the edge of the couch. He's right there. I'm scared, Daddy. I'm about to call 911.
No, do not. It's not even funny.
There he is.
Oh, yeah.
Did you see him?
Oh, no.
He's going upstairs. Oh, no. That's bad news.
Ah.
All our toys.
Ah.
What?
Ah.
No.
All right. Where you at?
What happened up there? Daddy, why were you screaming?
Could have jumped on me.
Did it get you?
Dad, I see his legs. I just saw his legs.
What's up, Jay? Watch the tail, people. We have a squirrel in our house, and I'm about to call 911.
He's gonna go. He's gonna go.
Yes, I still have the video going. It's been going for 5 minutes and 30 seconds. I mean, 32.
I'm about to throw up.
Well, let it all out. Get that squirrel.
I'll take.
I'm about to pee in my pants.
Where's he at?
Daddy, I want to pee in my pants.
Why? Because you need to.
No, because I'm scared to death. I'm scared for Matt.
There he is.
Yeah, he's right there. Just went under the thing again. Daddy, can I please call animal control?
No.
I'm sorry, people.
Watch for him.
Squirrels.
Help me.
Dad, he's under the couch still.
He went under the couch. Dad, do we need to get our house checked for rabies?
No. Oh, rabies did they watch it?
He went under the TV, which is bad.
Why?
The wires are connected to the thing, which goes in our attic.
Dad, he's under the TV. Try to get your broomstick and
Watch
whack
him.
him.
Watch him.
What are you going to get?
Drink of water. Gotta take a break.
Dad.
Daddy, if he bites those wires, the wires go to the attic, and the attic can set off the alarm when our house will burn down.
I know. I said we just leave him in here.
No.
Dad, get your broom. Hurry. Hurry, get your broom. Dad, hurry, get your broom.
Watch and make sure you don't come out.
But Daddy, I'm scared. I want
Baby, I'm gonna get it.
to go.
Stop.
Can we call some friends to come pick us up?
Who?
Our friends?
No. Daddy's fixing to get you.
No, you're not.
I wish we could go animal control.
Daddy, I'm scared.
Watch. I'm getting scared.
Dad, go and get your broom.
No. He's probably not munching on the wires right now.
There's no wires under there to munch on.
Dad, get your broom. He can come out.
I'm about to call our friends to come pick us up, and we will run outside.
Here we go. Here we go. There he is. Come out. Where's he at?
Right there. Under it. He.
Wow.
Oh, you little nutball.
He's not in the back. There he is. You're not gonna get him.
I am gonna get him. It's the last thing
Daddy,
I do.
get me and Hudson, like, go in the garage or something.
No, there's no reason to go in the garage because we're about to kill him.
Why?
What? Why?
Hmm. Why don't you go?
You see him now?
Yeah.
Oh!
You scared him. Went to do. You broke your broom.
Now you can just use the
And
thing.
he came out when you did it too.
Where's he at?
He went back in there.
In the couch?
Yes. Fingernails.
Dad,
He just went under there. Daddy.
Listen, I'll get him, baby. Just put calls on the tape. Watch for him to move. Watch for him to move out.
Why can't, where are you going?
I'm going to get something.
Oh,
Kill him with. Daddy's got this under control.
Here, Dad, use my lightsaber.
And then what are you going to do? Poke him?
Kill him.
How?
You should have scared him outside.
No. I want a picture of the dead squirrel. Just came out and you went back in. You got him once.
Alright, now he's hurt.
Yay.
Yay.
Hooray.
Which means he should slow down.
Should.
So we can, like, whack him.
Because you hit him right in the spinal cord.
I know. He's back for him, okay?
Okay.
You see?
Yeah.
Where? You see? You see us?
No.
If you do.
This is worse than a ferret.
No. Now a parrot can try to catch us.
What we need is an owl.
What we need is to call 911.
We're not going to do that. He's hurt, so he should slow down. He hit him right in the spinal cord. Which means if he broke his spinal cord, he can't walk. It's kind of bad news for us. Well, why don't you tip the chair over? Just broke your broom again.
I know.
Where?
You need to go. He's not moving. He's either, huh?
You got it on video?
Yeah.
I am totally telling Miss Injury tomorrow.
Do you hear that?
Tim!
That he came from our side, this side, Daddy.
I got him right here, baby.
Can he move?
I got his back legs hurt.
That is the sound of a hurt squirrel.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go see him. Are you sure he's dead?
No. Yeah. Give me a paper towel and bleed everywhere.
Oh. Dad, I want to go with him.
Got it. Get down.
Daddy.
Here.
Daddy.
Can I go see the
Yeah.
blood in the dead squirrel?
Yeah, go. He's right over there.
Oh, bad news for him.
Bad news for him is right.
Look at all that. He's bleeding from his nose.
Yep.
Look at all that. That is a dead squirrel, my fellas.
Come on. Let him outside. Open the garage door. All the way out.
Come
All
on.
the way out.
Come on. Go, go, go.
All the way out. I thought you was going to wake you.
We are. There he is.
No.
Okay. I'm going to crack his head. Close the door, Bessie.
You're going to crack his head.
Cool. You got to turn him over first. Okay. We're going to... Dad, can we take another video?
Sure.
Bye.